Hi guys, very warm welcome to the Crypto Geek channel. This is Professor Andrew Smith to discuss yet again some more cryptocurrency basic questions. Again, a friendly reminder to watch the first 2 videos on the same topic to get clear understanding on all your basic questions. As after this video we will move on to the more in-depth and technical topics. So let's start the video. One of the common question my students ask is who controls the Bitcoin price? The price of a Bitcoin is determined by supply and demand. And the same economic supply-demand rule applies here also. When demand for Bitcoins increases, the price increases, and when demand falls, the price falls. As some people are still pessimistic, so they want to know, can Bitcoin be shut down? As Bitcoin is decentralized, the network as such cannot be shut down by one government. However, governments have attempted to ban cryptocurrencies before, or at least to restrict their use in their respective jurisdiction. Also, they want to know, can Bitcoin crash to zero? In 2018 report by 2 economists places the odds of Bitcoin crashing to zero at around 0.4%. Sending the price of Bitcoin to true zero would be a monumental task and could be near impossible. One very important question is asked by my finance student is, can Bitcoin be taxed? Bitcoin and other virtual currencies are taxable, which means all of your Bitcoin transactions must be reported on your tax return. Also, you may want to know, can Bitcoin be transferred to bank account? Bitcoins cannot be withdrawn into a bank account directly. You can either sell them to somebody who then transfers money to your bank account, or you can sell them at an exchange and withdraw the funds from there. Will blockchain technology eliminate banks? Blockchain technology promises to revolutionize financial markets by creating a decentralized database of unique, digital assets. Using blockchain technology, tokenized securities have the potential to cut out middlemen such as custodian banks altogether, lowering asset exchange fees. What is the safest way to store cryptocurrency? Perhaps the most secure way to store cryptocurrency offline is via a paper wallet. A paper wallet is a cold wallet that you can generate off from certain websites. It then produces both public and private keys that you print out on a piece of paper. Many people who are thinking to invest now always ask me, is it too late for investment in Bitcoin? Considering the above mentioned arguments, Bitcoin's bubble is unlikely to burst in the near future. Thus, it's never too late to buy Bitcoin. However, keep in mind that every investment comes with its risks. When buying Bitcoin, one should also consider its price volatility or the lack of regulations for this market. Is Bitcoin mining profitable in 2021? Bitcoin mining profits have been rock bottom in 2021. For much of the year, the cryptocurrency has been less profitable to mine than ever. And that's because Bitcoin's collective hash rate, or how much computing power is pulsing through the network, has surged to consecutive all-time highs this year. Also, many people ask me, should I invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum? Bitcoin is the more mainstream and stable of the two, although the bullish sentiment among experts in the field appears to have only grown over the last year for Ethereum. As with most investments, it's possible Ethereum's higher risk brings with it potential for higher rewards. What problems blockchain solve? Blockchain has the potential to solve the acute issues of data storage and security, transactions processing and intermediaries, supply chains, intellectual property, government operations, charity, voting, and crowdfunding. Many of you will be interested, does blockchain have a future? Blockchain is one of the most talked about technologies in business right now. Blockchain tech has the potential to drive major changes and create new opportunities across industries from banking and cybersecurity to intellectual property and healthcare. Also, one important question is, can blockchain exist without cryptocurrency? Blockchain technology isn't exclusive to the crypto world. In fact, some of its most exciting applications have nothing to do with Bitcoin or any other crypto. A very simple explanation is that blockchain is a digital record that is split into pieces, called blocks, which are stored in multiple places. Also, many people are interested to know that, do celebrities and businesses own Bitcoin? Yes, there are plenty of celebrities and business owners who have invested in Bitcoin for investments. I will not take the names here for the privacy reasons. Does Elon Musk invest in Bitcoin? Earlier, Tesla announced a $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin. According to experts, Musk acquired 43,000 Bitcoins during various operations. That's all for this part of the video, and thank you for watching. In next video I will teach and explain you some common crypto trading terms. Also don't forget to subscribe this channel to support me so that I can spread free education.